Hello everyone, it's Chris at Garage Times. I'm doing a video today on wheel speed live data that you could view on just about any, relatively decent scanner. Imagine for a couple $100 up to $500 you could get this, where you can look at ABS wheel speed like live data here. And I have this set up so that it'll read like kind of in a graph format. But basically, if you do get a scanner and it allows you to look at that, you'll be able to go through whichever module it is you want to look at: transmission, engine, security, and then just so happens I'm looking at the ABS option for this ABS module, and it's going to show us what it looks like when you're going down the road, what your ABS mile per hour readout should be. It should match your speedometer is what it should match. All three should. In this case, this only has 3. A lot of vehicles now, the newer vehicles, all have 4, for each tire. But this one shares one in the back for this truck. It just has rear wheel. Has the right front, left front, and then the rear wheel. So here we go. Without further ado, we'll go check this out and see what it looks like. These actually are all going to be good, but just so you can check it out, what'll happen is one of them, when they're bad, won't read correctly. It won't match the other ones, and it will not match your speedometer. So here we go. Trying to cut out the reflection here, but now, as you can see, they're all matching. And I do kind of like the graphing format for this, where, like, if you've ever been accustomed to reading graphs or trend data, then this is for you. And in this case, so far, each one of these are matching. But I did have some low speed ABS modulation engagement, where when I'm at really low speeds, I'll hit the brake and I'll feel some vibration in my pedal, like it wants to actuate the ABS. So part of the troubleshooting for that is to definitely check your ABS wheel speed sensor data to make sure that they're all reading correctly. And in this case, all 3 of these PIDs, and I only selected these 3 PIDs as a custom option. I just went up to the it's in a previous page. It just lets you pick out, instead of having 20 or 30 different data streams to look at, I just picked these 3. And honestly, most of your scanners that you'll be able to get will do that. And this, as you can see, these are all matching. We're going to be slowing down here, and they're all gonna dial down here. I'm just gonna get close on all these 3. So if all your wheel speed sensor data looks good like this, then you should be all set. They should be good. If you have one that's not matching, and when I mean like not matching, like it'll underreport like quite a bit, it will not match. But in this case, these are all pretty good, and should be okay. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. And when I get another bad one, I'll put it on here where it'll show like 2 or 3 of them reporting, and the 1 or 2 that are bad will not report. So you guys have a good one. See ya.